In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy bulk baby supplies at Walmart. First, open your browser and head to walmart.com. On the home page, look toward the top of the page for the main navigation and click Departments. A menu will expand with lots of categories. Find Baby and Kids and click it to open the Baby section. Within that section, look for a link or tile labeled Bulk Baby Supplies. This is where Walmart groups multi-packs and value cases so you can stock up in fewer clicks. When the bulk page loads, you'll see a few ways to buy in bulk. The most common options are bulk diapers, bulk wipes, and bulk baby food and formula. Choose the category that fits what you need today. If you're building a diaper stash or preparing for daycare, bulk diapers are a quick win. If you're running through wipes fast, bulk wipes can cut down on trips. And if you're feeding little ones, bulk baby food and formula can help you keep shelves full. Let's walk through an example with diapers. Click bulk diapers to see the full list. Browse the results and pick a diaper brand and style you trust. On the product page, double check the size options. Diaper sizes are based on your baby's weight, and most listings include a size chart in the photos or description, so it's worth a quick look to confirm you're choosing the right fit. Next, select the size you need, for instance, size 5 if that's what your child currently wears. After that, choose the count. Count refers to how many diapers are in the box or how many packs are bundled together. Larger counts usually bring the price per diaper down, and Walmart often shows a price per unit to make comparisons easy. Before you move on, glance at availability. Many bulk items offer pickup at a nearby store and others ship to your home. The page will indicate what's available in your area. You can also read recent reviews and check the product photos to make sure the packaging and variant match what you expect. The same approach applies if you chose bulk wipes or bulk baby food and formula. Open the category, select the exact item you want, confirm any size, stage, or scent options, and then choose the count that makes sense for your household. That's it. By starting at departments, then baby and kids, then bulk baby supplies, and finally choosing the item, size, and count, you can stock up quickly and confidently on the essentials your family uses every day.